Hey everyone! Today we will go over what a component is. And a component is quite awesome. So let's start with it. So we're gonna start with making a box, just because it's easy, right? So if we now want, we can right click and we can create component. The same button is up here with this icon, or you can use the short keys. I really like having a good naming system, so now we know this is a rectangle, but if we name it main component, there we go. So now we can duplicate these into our project, right? So we want it in multiple pages all over our projects, like this. But at some point, we know that these might change, right? So our client says that, but I don't want it to be a square. I want it to be a circle. And you're like, okay, we'll fix it a circle. So we go in here and we make it a circle. Quite cool, huh? And you can see every instant will change the moment you do it. Here you got different colors, so if I want it to be blue, make it dark, like that. All of them will change. I can also actually add effects on it. I can add some shadow if I like, or whatever you would enjoy to have here. Oops. But the cool thing is, okay, now we got the circle. Now I would like to add some text to it. So I find the text and I write it, and I drag it and I drop it into my component. And now you can see all of my components has that text.